Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Look what we have in today. It is the 8810 mini foldable UAVs. It is the MAVIC Air clone, actually the smallest MAVIC Air clone. It is packed with gravity sensor, altitude hold, HD camera, 3D flip, FPV, and also it is foldable. It comes in 3 colors, as you can see here: the black, the white, and the red. So guys, let us move forward. Let's see what's inside this box. It looks very tiny to me. I'm not used to opening small boxes like this. Oh yeah, look at it. That it is right there. It looks exactly like the MAVIC Air. And let us see here, it has 4 props. Sorry, 4 prop guards. And oh yeah, 4 spare props in there. I see 2 black and 2 white. Let me see here. Yeah, 2 black and 2 whites, and also a cord used for charging. Yeah, that's, let me see here. And then there goes its remote control. It looks kind of decent. I think I like the remote the way it is. It's small, it feels really nice. And also it has 3 speed modes, and as you can see, the takeoff and the landing, and then you have the headless mode slash the 1 key return, and then you have the 3 speeds, and then you have all these other buttons here, which are simply just the trim on the flip buttons. One interesting thing is that the joystick is the sliding joystick. It has a slider, which I find very very nice and interesting, so you can easily manipulate it. And of course it has the phone holder, which is right here. It looks very decent. I never expected it to look that to be that comfortable and strong, and it snaps really well. So there goes the remote control. It is really decent, and we will explore that later on in subsequent videos. And here goes the little bad boy or whatever you want to call it. It is really small. It has the shape, it really looks like the MAVIC Air. And let's unfold it and see. And there goes its power button, and the battery compartment should be back there. Let's see. It looks kind of tricky taking the battery out. Actually, it shouldn't be tricky. It seemed to me that it is just a push and pull situation, or I should push and then pull the battery out, but for some reason it seems to not work. So let me just quickly flip through the guide, and that's part of that one is for the app download, and quickly flip through it and see. Yeah, it is what I thought it is. It is how I thought it was, push and pull. So maybe I just have to push a little bit harder, and it has some interesting Okay, let's see. There goes the camera, and it doesn't have a gimbal. I am not sure if it has lights. And back to the remote control. Let's turn it on. Actually, this is the power button is underneath, at the lower part of it rather, and it's just to slide it and then it turns on. And one quick thing is, once you turn your remote on and then you turn the drone on, it automatically links each other, so it's not like other drones that you have to link it. It doesn't turn on, which means I would have to charge the battery before I can do any kind of testing. It is a very, very interesting and looking piece of equipment, and that's where you charge the battery that, like I mentioned earlier. I don't know if you can see that. And let's check out the prop guards. It should be quite easy to put on. Yeah, it's pretty easy. It's just a simple procedure, and I think you just pull it out. Let's see here. Yeah, so it's easy. Push it in and then pull it out. So that's an easy one right there. Yep, they are quite easy to snap on, and I do not have the feeling that they can easily snap off in the event of a crash. Yep, boy, this thing is small. Yeah, okay. See, compared to its remote control, you can hold both of them in one arm. That's interesting right there. And back to the battery. It should simply, let me see, a push pull. Yeah, actually I don't know what I was doing the first time, but it's quite easy to take it off. And as you can see there, that's the charging port right there. Pretty standard and basic battery. Push it back in and it snaps right on. I don't know if it has any lights, but I would have to see that later on, either when I turn it off or I'll go through the manual. And compared to the Spark, see how little it is. It actually, maybe it has the size of the Tello or thereabout. Yeah, but it is quite small. Yeah, and even if we compare it to the Mavic Pro clone, that is the Ichin E85, which is a very small drone, it's considerably smaller than it. So yeah, it will be interesting to fly this one. And all right guys, please comment below, like the video. If you have any questions, please don't forget to ask. I love you all and see you on my next video.